Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you this time frame think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where some levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. The one level that really stands out to me, and I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part, a lot of people are watching this level, and that is right here around $18.25. If you go down through the history of things, you can see quite a bit of history of acting as support. Didn't quite hit it, but general vicinity acting as support. And then this morning, yeah, the price did drop below it, but as you can see, that didn't last very long, and the price quickly got back above it and then closed well above it. So 18.25, a level that really stands out, and I bring that up, and I bring up the point that it's not like it's a great discovery on my part, because anybody that uses charts is going to be watching it, and that would include people that are also potentially looking to short. And that's a level where, if the price were to crack below there, am I saying the entire chart's going to collapse? I'm not saying that, but there would be some potential real estate for a short to make some money. So like I said, point here being that a lot of people are observing 18.25, and that is just a very important level from the technical perspective. On the flip side of things, another area that a lot of people are going to be watching is right up here at this little miniature resistance at the $19 mark. So a lot of longs are going to be watching this, and those that like to play breakouts, that would be the key level to keep an eye on, because if the price can break above the 19 mark, that would imply that the price is actually already up above that purple line there, the 50 period, and then you have this little resistance here, where if that were to occur, I'm not saying this would happen within minutes or anything like that, but you would have a possibility, and just kind of almost a little miniature blue sky breakout as the next levels of resistance wouldn't be up until around the $20 mark. Again, I'm not saying if $19 broken that within 10 minutes the price is going to be up at 20, but there is some space here from the chart as far as the technical levels are concerned. In the event there is a break of that green line down here at 18.25, next key overall level of support would be that pink line right there, and that is the very famous 200 period simple moving average. So a lot of a lot of opportunity here, both sides of the equation, and that's why I find the chart pretty interesting. So we'll see what happens with it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.